need a haircut. Oh, hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now, I've got a beech log on the lathe that I've already round it, and I am hoping to make a baby rattle for my youngest, who's just started sitting up and exploring her environment. I'm hoping to also make my first captive ring, so hopefully that will go okay. But anyway, let's get going and hope you enjoy. Well, there you go, everyone. It's all done. I really enjoyed making this and learned a lot in the process as well. I used the skew for a large part of it and had a number of catches as I'm learning to use it still. But it just meant that some elements were a bit smaller, such as the dome and the captive ring. But overall, I really liked how it's turned out and can't wait to give it to my daughter tomorrow. So you obviously all want to know what it sounds like, so there you go. Now, I will put some stills up at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. But before I go, I just want to give a shout out to some makers who sent me some stickers. Firstly, there is Gord Rock over in Canada. Now, he's a very knowledgeable chap with a lot of informative videos on his channel, and he's created some really beautiful pieces of work, so please check him out. I also have Louis Bandera from Woodworking 227 over in the USA. He's also created great pieces on his channel, so please check him out. Both these guys I came across during the January 2021 clock challenge set by Wouldn't It Be Nice, and I've enjoyed watching their videos, so do check their links out in the description below. Then also from the USA, there's Make and Rebuild, a chap who does a lot of refurbishing old pieces of equipment and just general trinkets as well, so check him out. And also Bear Paws Wood Shop for various woodworking projects, so do check these guys out. All links will be in the description below, but again, everyone, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.